The 2021 Chevrolet Colorado style is a major flex. With distinct styling and unique features, the Colorado Special Edition lineup is designed to make a big statement. A mid-sized truck approaching full-size capabilities, powerful engine options with efficient technologies, rugged and strong with a quiet and refined interior. If you're looking for a truck that's got the best of all worlds, you're looking for the Colorado. With a high-strength steel frame, an array of airbags, a reinforced safety cage, traction control, and a number of available advanced safety features, the Colorado is designed to provide peace of mind on all your journeys. From logging hours at the worksite to long weekends at the lake, the Chevrolet Colorado has 3 engine choices to take on the world. Why not try this vehicle out before you buy it with our free 48-hour test drive? Also, if you decide to buy this vehicle, we will cover it with our free lifetime mechanical warranty for unlimited miles and unlimited years.